Good morning, students. Today we will discuss topic of the physics thrust and pressure and the applications of pressure. What is thrust? The total force exerted normally on the surface is called thrust. When we are applying the force normally over the surface, that is called thrust. Our second topic is pressure. The force acting normally on the unit area is called pressure. The force which will applied over the unit area, when the area is given and we applying the force, then it is called pressure. Pressure is denoted by P, and pressure P is equal to force upon area. Unit of pressure is Pascal. When 1 Newton force is applied over an area of 1 meter square, then pressure is known to be 1 Pascal. Some applications of pressures. Railway track are laid on large size wooden and iron sleepers. जो रेलवे ट्रैक है उसके नीचे की तरफ हम यहाँ पर वुडन स्लीपर्स डालते हैं. वो स्लीपर्स क्यों डालते हैं? क्योंकि हमें पता है द फार्मूला ऑफ प्रेशर P इज इक्वल टू F अपॉन A होता है. तो बाय दीज स्लीपर्स वी इंक्रीजेस द एरिया, and when we increases the area, so pressure decreases, and therefore this track will not sink in the ground. Our second application, a sharp knife is more effective in cutting the object than a blunt knife. We are giving two knives, that is one is sharp and second is blunt. Area of sharp knife is smaller, and we know that pressure P is equal to F upon A, and when the area is small, then pressure is large. Therefore, sharp knife exerts large pressure, and therefore sharp knife is better than the blunt knife. One more application. A camel walks easily on the sandy surface than a man, in spite of the fact that the camel is much heavier than the man. Here we are showing the feet of the camel, and you are saying here you can see that area is very large. Area of feet of the camel is very large, and we know that formula P is equal to F upon A. When area is large, then the pressure applied by the feet of the camel is small, and therefore camel can walk easily over the sandy surface. Some more examples. Nails and pins have pointed end. These are the nails. Two nails we are showing. One is blunt and second have the sharp end. Area of sharp end is very small, and therefore when we apply the force, then the large pressure will exert over this nail. But as far as blunt nail or thumb is concerned, when area is very large, so we know that P is equal to F upon A, then pressure applied is very small. Therefore, we can say sharp nail or pin is better than the blunt nail. One more example. Building have wide foundation. Why we give wide foundation? By these foundation, wide foundation, we are increasing the area, and by increasing the area, we are decreasing the force.